Anywho, pregnancy cravings 101 again. I got me 2 slices of pieces from the gas station, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I love they pieces. And then I also got me the Wednesday fiery skulls. I don't know why they keep trying to say that these are new. They're not, baby. They're old. I didn't have them before. They just one that color. And I also got me some Chester's hot fries because that's what I wanted. And you can never go wrong when you're pregnant. You got to have a pickle. You got to have a little picky pick. You know, a little pick. And I also got Infinite Swirl pineapple berry drink. And I'm gonna watch my fine ass husband mow my yard. You know, I was talking to myself. I'm talking to myself, but I'm also talking to them. Oh, that's good. Hold on. Is that like cotton candy? Yeah, it tastes like cotton candy a little bit. Like, it got pineapple. Like, I taste the hint of the pineapple, but it tastes like cotton candy.
Yeah, I can see why you said that.
Mm-hmm. It's good, though. Yeah, and that piece of fresh. Yes, I'm sitting in my car. And my 2-year-old sitting in the garage with the garage door wide open. And I'm sitting here looking him dead in his face while he got his juicy juice and his Skittles that he chose. I'm wasting this in my car, and I don't want my car smelling like pickles. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but I don't want it to be on my floor. So my thing don't want to stay sitting up there. Got to pour that juice off. Hmm? What? You did?
Yeah.
You got your Skittles open?
No.
Good. Okay, bring them here so I can open them. I do not like the end of the pickle. I like chew it to get the rest of the pickle off, but this one is soft today. I don't like that, but pickle's still good though. Y'all, when them cravings be hitting, they be hitting. I was up. Okay, baby. You want one?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on, y'all. But yeah, like I was saying, oops, sorry, y'all. But like I was saying, I was up all night until like 4 o'clock in the morning this morning, having heartburn. Bad. Oh. God damn. Now I'm used to spicy stuff, but dang, the spice hit the back of my throat. But yeah, I was having bad heartburn because all I crave is like spicy stuff. These are good though. I know y'all wondering, y'all, I got I'm breaking out bad. At least my skin is clearing. That's good though. Oh my bad, y'all. I'm trying to make sure I can still see my baby. But yeah, like, I know y'all been wondering why your girl been MIA. But I will be starting the beginning of 5 months on Saturday. So we almost halfway there. And I'm so ready because y'all don't understand how badly, like, this little girl be having me up and eating 24/7. Like, plus I'm just now waking up, like, for the second time after getting my kids after. Well, I didn't get them up today. My husband got them up today because I didn't go to bed until like 4 o'clock this morning, like I said. So Kazi, go in there and sit down, baby. But yeah, I was tired, shit. But I woke up this morning to at least tell them goodbye and have a good day at school and that I love them and, you know, see my babies off to school. Y'all, I'm really trying to eat, but I'm trying to also get y'all conversation. But what, you want another one? There you go. You're welcome. Got it in the backyard. In the backyard, more in the yard. He'll be coming to the front sooner or later. I will be showing. I will be posting more videos about my pregnancy and how my first trimester went, since I was MIA for the beginning of my first trimester. I'm debating if I want to do some singing videos, because that is something that my mama really wants me to do, is like start posting me singing. But I am a shy person when it comes to me singing. But that's besides the point. This is good. I don't like how I got my fine husband. I'm not hot. I don't like how you just came and started fussing at me because I didn't roll the windows down.
Well, it's supposed to get hot later. I'm gonna need you in the hot car.
Okay. What? Yeah, our anniversary is next week for our 1-year anniversary of us being married. I cannot wait because what? Your girl been married for almost a year.